Where did you get him?
Murray, what are you doing? It's gotta be hard to breathe in there.
Is he stuck?
Is he stuck?
No.
Are you sure?
He's just trying to get all of it out.
Look at him. Oh, that poor little thing. Murray.
Just you're a sadist. Now he's stuck.
Are you stuck, you tard?
No.
Take it out so we can breathe, Jess.
Come here, come here, come here.
Hey, there he is.
And he goes right back in.
There you go.